Like us, turkey vultures are social animals with personal attachments and a community organization. Seen a few at a time, they may be attending to courtship or other personal concerns. They gather in clusters to provide ecological services, recycling nutrients, disposing of the dead, restricting the spread of disease by killing pathogens in the fires of their own industrial-strength digestive tracts. Occasionally, though, we see vultures assemble in large numbers, hundreds. Suppose we are driving home just before sunset and look up to see a river of vultures flowing overhead. They pause and circle, milling randomly, all in motion but going nowhere. It's a spectacle, but easily overlooked. This congress of scavengers is called a roost advertisement flight, a social event notifying all vultures within sight that their community is gathering for the night. But why? What benefit does the communal roost confer? Why not just find a safe place and tuck in on your own branch or cell phone tower? This question is answered in a way that implies advanced social networking. Any community member who has found fine dining during the day arrives at the communal roost with an obviously distended crop. Everybody sees that bird has eaten. They sidle up to the well-fed neighbor, and when it leaves on the morning's first thermals, it has lots of new friends, all determined to help tidy up the neighborhood.